Hello students, this is a maths worksheet 39. This is a revision worksheet of chapter 2. Now here I solve some examples related to place values. Write the standard form of the following. Example number A, 3 crore 5 lakh 79,405. So we write this number in standard form. So first we write place values from ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Now we write the numbers with the place values. 3 in crore place. So we write 3 in crore place. 5 in lakh place. We write 5 in lakh place. 79 in thousand place. So we write 7 in 10,000 place and 9 in thousand place. Now 4 in 100 place, so we write 4 in 100 place and 5 in 1 place, and other place values fill with zeros, like tens fill with 0 and 10 lakh fill with 0. Now we write this number 3 0 5 7 9 4 0 and 5, and we putting commas before 3 numbers. After that we putting before 2 numbers, pair of 2 numbers, and we read this number as 3 crore 5 lakh 79,405. Now example number B related to international number system. Example number B, 509,776,230. So we write this number in international number system. So first we write place values in international number system. So we write ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now we write 10,000 and now 100,000. Then million, 10 million and 100 million. So we write the following number in the place values. We write 5 in 100 million place and 0 in 10 million place and 9 in million place. Now we write 776,000. We write 7 in 100,000 place and 7 in 10,000 place and 6 in 1000 place. Now we write 230. We write 2 in 100 place and 3 in tens place, and we fill ones place with zeros. So we write this number 509776230, and we putting commas before 3 numbers. These numbers in ones place, these number in thousand place, and these 3 numbers in million place. So we read this number as 509,776,230. Now example number 2. Compare the following numbers and put greater and smaller symbol between these numbers. So first we solve example number A. First we write place value ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Now we again write ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So first we compare place values in 10 lakh places. So these both numbers are same, 28 and 28. In 10,000 places both number are same. Now in 100 place, this number is 5 and this number is 4. So these both number are different. So the greater number is 5 here. So the greater number is 28,79,565. Now here we again write place values of these numbers: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Now we compare 10 lakh and lakh place. We see these both number are same. Now we compare these places, 10,000 and 1000 places. So these both number are same, 50 and 50. And in 100 place, in this number 9 and this number 0. So 9 is greater as compared to 0. So this number is greater, 38,50,920. So we mark greater symbol here. Now example number C. We compare first these numbers, 7 and 7 same, 71 and 71 same, and in this place 8 is here and 6 is here. So 8 is greater than as compared to 6. So 7 crore 71 lakh 82,865 is greater as compared to this number. Now example number D. Again we write place values: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Now we compare crore places. So these both number are same. Now 10 lakh place is 0 and 0 here, lakh place 0, 0 here, 10,000 place 7, here also 7, 1000 place 7, here also 7, and 100 place 0, here also 0, 10 place 0 and 0, and now ones place 7 and here 9. 9 is greater as compared to 7. So this number 7 crore 77,009 is greater as compared to this number. So we applying this place values rule, we compare two numbers. Now here we write numbers in standard form. So the example number 3, write the following numbers in standard form. So example number A, 2 into 1 lakh plus 4 into 10,000 plus 3 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 3 into 1. So this is the expanded form of the number. Here we apply place values rule. So first we write 1. Now here 4 into 10 lakh plus 8 into lakh plus 2 into 10,000 plus 8 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1. So this is the expanded form of the number. So first we write place values: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So we write 4 in 10 lakh place, 8 in 1 lakh place, 2 in 10,000 place, 8 in 1000 place, 6 in 100 place, 3 in tens place and 2 in ones place. So we write this number 4828632. We putting commas before 3 numbers and then before 2 numbers. So we read this number as 48 lakh 8632. So this is the standard form of the number. Here we solve example number 4. 800 lakh equal to how many crore? So first we write 800 lakh. 800 and we're putting 5 zeros after 800. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're putting commas before 3 numbers and then 2 numbers. Now here we write place values: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So how many crore in 800 lakh? So 8 crore. We write here 8 crore in 800 lakh. 800 lakh equal to 8 crore. Example number B. 2000 lakh equal to how many crores? So we write first 2000 lakh. So we're putting 5 zeros: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because lakh having 5 zeros. And now we're putting commas before 3 numbers, then 2 numbers. Now we write place values of these numbers: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So 2000 lakh equal to 20 crore. So we write 20 here. So 2000 lakh equal to 20 crore. Now example number 5. 1/4 of 1,000. So we find 1/4 of 1,000. 1/4 of 1,000. So we divide 1,000 by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s are 20 to 50. So 1/4 of 1,000 equal to 250. Half of a lakh equal to how many thousand? So half of 1 lakh equal to 1 upon 2, and often multiply 1, 0, 0, 000. Now we divide 1 lakh by 2. 2 5s are 10, putting 3 zeros. 50, 000, 50,000. So half of 1 lakh equal to 50,000. Now students, here I solved some examples related to above discussion. So you will do all these questions in your homework. Thank you students.